Hello and welcome. Today I went back to Subway, giving them another chance. I'm trying the Buffalo Chicken Sub. And gave me napkins, that's always a good sign. So the Buffalo Chicken Sub, Subway was on their featured item list, and kind of what it looks like. I'm going to take this wrapper off, going for a quick close-up. Right, there's one half, the other half. You can see grilled chicken tossed in buffalo sauce. There's provolone on there. I did order this online. I asked for it to be toasted. They did not toast it, but that's alright. Tomatoes, cucumbers, ranch dressing, and I believe that's all she wrote. Here's another close-up of the side, the cross-section. Let's give it a try. Alright, this is the Buffalo Chicken Sub from Subway. Let's see if it's worth the $8.87 I paid for it. One last close-up. So far I'm not impressed. It's not bad, and I think this might be the very first time I've ever had grilled chicken at Subway. I mean, it has Frank's Red Hot, which is kind of a generic hot sauce. I like it. It's not working here. Oh, there's lettuce on there. Alright. I've kind of made up my mind. I don't care for this. It's not bad. It's not bad. They toss the grilled chicken in hot sauce, or they drown it in hot sauce. Okay, got a little bit of hot sauce right there, but it's too little too late. There's not enough hot sauce flavor, not enough buffalo flavor. And I get why there's cucumbers. They're not my first choice to put on a sub. Cucumbers and ranch. Supposed to like help cool down the burn, but so this one looks cool on paper, but it fails to deliver in execution. It's not bad. I will not buy it again. It is not worth $8. It needs to be doctored up, and the beauty about Subway is you can add bacon for an extra fee. I would add bacon. I would add jalapenos, banana peppers, just to jazz it up. Other than that, it's not worth it to me. This is another disappointment, but I wouldn't call it a strike. It's just really disappointing, and the price is way too high for what it is. So I'm giving it a 4 out of 10. It's edible. It's alright, but it's just very disappointing. But it looks alright. So anyway, thank you for watching, as always, and you have a great day.